524 with this latest round of Arctic air hitting Rochester this week. Many will be pulling out space heaters to create some extra warmth.
However, there are important safety tips to keep in mind. Meteorologist Leanne Beyer spoke with a local expert to learn how to use these appliances safely.
Yes, this is the time of year many of us rely on space heaters to keep certain areas of our homes warm. However, Glen Moorhouse, the assistant fire coordinator with Monroe County, says many people may not realize that space heaters can be hazardous if not plugged in correctly. Some of the challenges are where you plug them into. You always want to plug them directly into an outlet versus into an outlet strip that may already have 3 or 4 other appliances already plugged into it.
You want to avoid that at all costs. And then the other issue you have is simply radiant heat. Is that heater close to something that could catch on fire?
It's also important to remember to never leave a space heater unattended and to regularly monitor its condition to ensure safe operation.
If the heater is plugged in for hours and hours at a time, it's not a bad idea to check where you plugged it into for the temperature of the cord. If you feel it getting warmer there or hot, you certainly should discontinue its use.
With frequent use of space heaters and even ovens in some cases to stay warm, carbon monoxide emissions can become a concern. If your detectors sound an alarm, here's what to do.
Open up the doors. I would call 911 as a precaution. Both fire and most times RG&E will eventually come check with the specialty meters to monitor that. But seek fresh air would be your best bet. Oftentimes, if you're not really thinking about it, headaches, dizziness are oftentimes the early symptoms of that.
Moorhouse explains that ovens and stoves can also trigger carbon monoxide detectors, especially during the winter when homes are sealed tightly. The same advice applies in such cases. Open the doors and windows, get fresh air, and call 911. Reporting in studio, Leanne Beyer, News 8.